What do you do, y'all? Welcome to the Crypto Channel 329. Today's video we are going to talk about the P stake. Okay guys, before I jump into it, remember this is not financial advice. I'm just here sharing my crypto journey with y'all and show you some opportunities that you might or might not like it. Okay, so this is a super risky project, but in return you will get super high returns. Okay, so this one just went live just a couple minutes ago. Okay, if you put here to the stats, we can see that it's fresh. We only got 3 deposits. Okay, so this kind of project you gotta get in super early to make the most of it. Okay, so I'm going to show you step by step how to join this project. Okay guys, the link's going to be down in the description. Click on that link and it will take you to the sign up page. Okay, on the sign up page, it's the routine, guys. So your name or nickname, you put your email address, you put your password, and then you enter your wallets once you are up and running. As you can see right here, name, it doesn't have to be your real name, your login details, your password, mails, security questions, and then you add your wallets. Okay, so usually I use Tether BEP20 or BNB, so I'm gonna add these two right here. And if somebody joins under my referral link, and let's say for example they join the TRC, I'll probably add a TRC, but for now I'm just gonna use those two. So I'm gonna do this sign up real quick and then I'm gonna continue the video. Okay guys, so when you do the sign up, okay, you will have to log in. So you come over here to log in, hit login, you put your login details, and then you are good to go. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do right now. So sign in, and then I'm going to show you the next step. And boom, I am in. So this is my account right here. So currently I have none right there. Okay, and then once you're in, you can refer somebody who's willing to join this platform. Okay, so this is your referral link. Share it with your family, friends, social media, whoever joins the platform under your referral link, you will get a referral commission. Okay, so let's go over to the main page and let me explain this project to you. Okay, let's go over here, and probably will take us to the main page. And then on the main page you can see that we have 4 plans. Okay, so each plan has a different percentage or daily APR right here. So plan 1, 2, 3, and 4. So each plan has a different daily APR, 4.6.7 and 125% after 24 hours. Okay, so each plan has a minimum investment, and so the first 3 plans you can withdraw hourly. Okay, the last plan you can only withdraw after 24 hours, and then after 24 hours you'll make a 25% gain. Okay, and essentially that's it, guys. So you go ahead and pick your plan, and then once you are happy with that plan, you go and make your moves. So if you want to use a calculator to calculate how much you can earn, so you have the start plan, which is this one right here, the pro plan, advanced plan, and elite plan. So you pick the plan that you want to roll with. So for instance, I'm gonna roll with this one, number 3. Okay, I'm going to deposit 500 bucks. Okay, and the total return is going to be 564 bucks or 23.5 per hour. So how do we do that? We come over here and we hit invest. Okay, when you hit invest, you are going to your dashboard. Okay, inside your dashboard, that's where the magic happens. Okay, so as you can see right here, we have the plan number 1, plan number 2, 3, and 4. Okay, the one that I'm going for is this one right here. Okay, the minimum investment is 500 bucks. Okay, so you go ahead and select the plan that you want to go. So you can pick the one that you happy with. Okay, and then you select the coin that you want to deposit. So Tether BEP20. Okay, make sure you select the right coin. Okay, because if you make a mistake, your funds will be gone. Okay, so Tether BEP20 right there. So hit spend, and then it will take you to this page right here. Okay, so over here it will show you the plan. Okay, so deposit, so plan 4.7 per hour for 24 hours. Okay, so you get paid hourly, and the investment is going to be $500, 500 USDT BEP20. Okay, so now you see over here, please send 500 USDT BEP20 to this wallet right here. It's all blue, but when you copy the wallet, you should be able to see everything. Okay, make sure you got the full address. All right, guys. So now you come over here to MetaMask and you select your BEP20. Okay, so you paste the address right there, so you can even confirm. So 64 ends in 64964 0xf. Okay, 0xf 964. It matches. Okay, so then you go ahead and deposit the amount that you want to deposit. I need to log in on my ledger real quick before I confirm this transaction, otherwise it won't go through. And then you hit next. Okay, we pay this gas fee. We pay this gas fee real quick. Okay, and then from there, once the transfer confirmation goes through, that means our deposit has gone through and we are in. Okay, again guys, not financial advice. Always do your own research and always invest capital that you are comfortable to lose if something goes wrong. Okay, I'm not saying it will go wrong, okay, but keep that in mind that these projects, they don't last. So get in, get out as fast as you can, make that money, and yeah, that's it guys. So payment went through, so USDT is gone. So now if we go back to our investment, or go back home. So let's go back home. Let's see our dashboard. I believe it's home. Okay, so no, so let me click it, and now we're gonna hit deposits, and we can see that my deposit is $500 right there. Okay, the plan that I've chosen was this one right here. Okay, where I get 4.7% per hour for 24 hours. Okay, so every 24 hours I can come over here and withdraw. Okay, so once you come over here to withdraw, once you got some balance available, as you can see right here, my Tether BEP20 wallet is already there. Okay, and my BNB wallet is already there as well. So once I got some funds available, then I will select the funds, and then if I have Tether BEP20, I will withdraw on Tether BEP20. If I have BNB, I will withdraw on BNB. If I have any other coin, I will have to copy and paste the address right here in order to receive those funds in that wallet address. Okay, and that's that guys. So tomorrow or the next few hours, I'm going to give you an update showing how the project is doing, and yeah, I'm going to show you live withdrawal. Hopefully all will go well and this project will last for a few days. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.